Hello there, this is Luca with Nativevideo. Over the past couple of weeks, we've been increasingly busy helping companies execute their digital transformation programs, specifically the part about video, implementing video technology, of course. These transformation programs are actually seeing an unprecedented acceleration, obviously, due to the rapidly and suddenly changing context around the companies that we help. There's a very interesting article from the FT that I'm linking in the comments below that you can see, but also just by looking around you, what's happening while you're at house arrest, both personally and professionally for your company. Communication is a key priority. It's a priority number one as part of all response programs that companies are implementing. And the video plays a key role for those communication programs. We have been helping these companies, and while doing so, we've developed a very good expertise in helping set communication protocols that really help and truly benefit both the companies, but also all the key stakeholders across the business community that this company is communicating to and engaging with. So if you want to know more about these protocols and our best practices, please do get in touch with us. We will be very happy to help you. And don't forget that if you're a Salesforce partner, we do our part to help our fellow AppExchange partners in the Salesforce ecosystem, and we have a free offer for all Salesforce partners. So please do get in touch, and let's actually create better processes, better programs that will be crucial for this time, but that will also be very helpful once we are on the other side of this crazy pandemic. Until then, well, stay safe and God bless.